When do you get your best ideas? Are they in the shower or when you're walking like mine? Today I'm going to talk about how you can use balance to get your best ideas for problem solving and getting unstuck. I'm Airlie Wildy from airliewildy.com. I help online business mums balance business and family so that they can have a successful business and nurture their family and feel good inside. And that means that everyone is thriving. Let's get stuck into today's topic. So how do you get your best ideas? For me, it's when I'm usually in the shower, driving, what else? Swimming, walking or running. You know what all of those things have in common? They're when I'm not working. It's funny, isn't it? So if you think about it, it's because the brain isn't being forced. And that's when the magic happens, when you're not forcing it. So that's why using work-life balance as an actual strategy to get your best ideas is a really smart one. I remember when I was back at school and I had to, learn things by rote, when you had to learn poems for Year 12 exams and all of those things. And the more you tried to cram in and remember, and I just get more tired. And the tireder I got, the harder it got. Same sort of situation. The more you cram in to your brain and get your brain to do more stuff and to be busy, the harder it's going to work. Your best ideas aren't going to happen then. But when you give your brain a chance to refresh, to recharge it and relax, and your brain recharges, that's what your body does and your skin does, and that's the best way to get those best ideas. It's by having that balance of working hard and relaxing hard, because you need both to run your business. You can't work hard all the time. This is why you shouldn't feel guilty for having downtime, because that's when you can have those great ideas. That's when you can let your mind just flow, and those solutions come from nowhere. They just sometimes hit you. It's like, yes, that's a great idea. Yes, that's the solution I need. Those things happen when your mind is free and wandering. So next time you've been really busy, give your body and your brain and your soul a chance to recharge. Take a shower, listen to some music, go for a walk, go swimming, do some exercise, meditate, do one of those things to give yourself that balance and eat and recharge your brain, because you never know what amazing idea you'll have. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on Balance and Business for Online Mums. Bye.